Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're jumping into artificial intelligence, AI.
Yeah, it's definitely the topic everyone's talking about.
It really is. So our mission for this deep dive is, well, to cut through some of that buzz.
Get to the basics.
Exactly. Get a clear, simple handle on what AI actually is and how it's being used day to day. We're basing this on some learning material we looked at, specifically a video script aimed at teaching core AI vocabulary.
A good foundation. So where do we start? The basic definition.
Yeah, let's start there. What is AI, fundamentally?
Well, this material puts it quite simply. Artificial intelligence means machines or, computers that can do things humans normally do with their intelligence.
Like thinking, learning.
Exactly. Thinking and learning. Giving tech those kinds of cognitive abilities, more or less.
Okay. And the script we looked at had some really concrete examples, didn't it?
It did.
Like AI recognizing your voice when you talk to your phone, perhaps, or answering questions you ask it, even writing emails. Stuff like that.
Right. So the key idea is that AI can understand human language.
And use that understanding to help people.
Yeah, helps people do things faster, supposedly makes things more efficient.
It's quite something when you see how integrated it's becoming.
It really is. And those basic skills, understanding language, processing information, they form the base for, well, a whole lot of real-world uses.
Yeah, the source material definitely touched on that, how it's showing up everywhere.
Several key areas.
Like ChatGPT for writing, that came up. Lots of people are playing with that now.
Oh, absolutely. That's a big one. And then there's AI in business customer service.
Those online chatbots.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Becoming very common.
And then sort of bigger picture things like self-driving cars, that feels like a major leap, but it's AI.
It's a direct application, yeah.
Yeah.
AI learning to handle really complex situations. And the common thread there, I think, is AI's power to sift through huge amounts of data.
Right, finding patterns.
Patterns humans might miss or just take way longer to spot, whether it's writing text or answering a query or, making driving decisions.
It's all driven by that core ability.
Yeah.
Have you noticed it creeping into your own routines more?
Oh, for sure. Like you said, those chatbots are almost standard now.
Yeah. So to really get what's going on under the hood, the source introduced some key vocabulary.
Essential terms, yeah.
Things we hear thrown around. Let's break a few down. First one, algorithm.
Right, algorithm. Basically, it's just a set of rules.
Instructions for the computer.
Exactly. Instructions a computer follows to do something specific, like solve a problem. For AI, algorithms are kind of the engine. They dictate how it processes things and decides what to do.
Okay, like the AI's how-to guide.
Pretty much. Yeah.
Okay. Then there's machine learning. Sounds crucial.
It is, definitely. Machine learning is a specific type of AI. It's where the computers learn directly from data.
Without being programmed for every single step.
That's the key. They spot patterns in the data they're fed, and they get better over time based on that. That's how AI gets smarter, more sophisticated.
Ah, so it adapts based on information. That seems linked to automation then. We hear that word a lot.
Definitely connected. Automation in this AI context is about using AI to do tasks without a human needing to step in.
Right. Taking over tasks.
Could be simple, boring stuff, or even more complex processes. The idea is it frees up people.
Okay, and we can't really discuss AI without mentioning chatbot.
True. A chatbot is just a specific use case, really. An AI program designed to chat with people.
Like those customer service ones.
Usually online, yeah. They use language processing to understand what you're asking and then respond.
Got it. And the last term was innovation.
Yeah, innovation. Simple enough just means a new idea or a new method, a new device.
So AI itself is an innovation.
A major technological innovation, yes. It's driving change across so many fields. Knowing these terms, algorithm, machine learning, automation, chatbot, innovation, it gives you a good starting point.
Right. So, quick wrap up. AI means machines thinking and learning like humans. It's showing up in lots of practical ways already.
Definitely.
And knowing a bit of the key vocab, algorithm, machine learning, etc., helps make sense of it all.
Exactly right. And, thinking about how fast this stuff is moving, it brings up a pretty interesting question for you, for everyone listening, really. Given how quickly AI is improving its ability to learn, to automate, how do you think that's going to change how we work and just how we interact with technology, even in the next few years?
That is the big question, isn't it? Something to really think about.
It's a landscape that's definitely not standing still.